our first round of golf. What you playing, Joaquin? What's that? Golf. Can't get it out? Hold on. Let's see. Take the ball out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see. Hold on. Remember what you gotta do? You gotta put it in the hole. Yeah, see these holes over here? Yeah, try to get them in those little holes. Okay. Yeah, good shot. Oh, hole in one! Tiger Woods got nothing on you. Look at it, doing your victory lap already. Yeah, that's a good start, man. You try again? Okay. Oh. This is a 5 par, okay? Hey, you can't touch it with your hand. Oh, almost got it again. Yeah, let's try. Oh. Put the ball down. You gotta hit it with the club. Alright. Hit 2 hands on the club. Yeah, that's a very good shot. Went right on. No, just gotta do a little softer. He keeps picking it up. Yeah. Alright! Yeah! Oh my goodness. Olivia, what do you think of your brother's golf playing? What do you think? What do you think? Think we got a good chance there winning the pro golf? The Masters? Alright. The sister said yeah, in the Masters. Yeah. What's that in your hand? What's that called in your hand? No, that's a club. Alright, good shot. Go! Another goal. Alright, where are you going to put it now? Alright. Yeah! Alright, we just got a new game. It's a game of combining golf with soccer. You gotta turn the stick around, Joaquin. You hit it with the other end. With the other end, not hand. I'll show you later. Try a different club. You want to stick with that one? You want to try a different club? How about the blue one? That's your wood. It'll give you a lot of distance. All right. We'll show mommy later. Yeah, you're in there. Play it where it lies. Play it where it lies. That's it. You got the knack of it. All right. Yeah, came out the other. I think you're ready for miniature golf. Uh-oh. Y ahora. Let's see. Olivia. Ah, I can't do the flip around camera. I gotta do the thing. Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Olivia.
Somewhere.
Say bye, Olivia.
Somewhere.
It's on the other side of the table.